Today we are going to learn how to do a sweetheart neckline with your knitting. This can be done on a straight neckline or a V neckline, which is what we have here with this V neck. So I am going to zoom in. And when I made this top, this is the Wyoming Romance top, I left a tail from when I had reattached the yarn to do the front straps. I left this right here in the center. And it's important to find your center. So whether it's a straight neckline, which means straight across, or if it's a V-neck, find the middle. And in this case, it's going to be in between two stitches. Okay. And with these directions, it has to go down 2 inches. So I'm going to get my measuring tape and measure 2 inches. Oh, I can almost mark that perfectly with my stripe right here, my variegated stripe. It's also an option to attach a stitch marker or a removable place marker, but I'm going to go ahead and eyeball it. I hope that you can see that too. I see that it is 1, 2, 3. It's going to be at the end of the 3rd stripe there. And so what I am going to do is I'm going to thread my needle and then down here I'm going to find that middle row here at the bottom. I'm going to actually stick my needle in there, and I'm going to zigzag every, can you see those middle stitches? I have about 3 on here. I'm going to zigzag every 3 stitches approximately. Oops, it looks like I am actually 1 stitch over. Good thing. There we go. And then I am going to pull this tight. Oh, that's so cute. I want to pull it really tight. And for reinforcement, if you would like to go in on the back side, you may do that too. I just tend to kind of stick it back through the same bunch of stitches. I can kind of find right here where it's pulling through. Double check again on the front how that looks. And then you will secure and weave in your ends, and there you have a sweetheart neckline. And now I have woven in that end. Let me zoom out. Oh my gosh, so cute. Just adds a little bit of that feminine flair to the top. Again, this is the Wyoming Romance top, and it's so cute. And this will begin pattern testing soon, and hopefully we'll have a fall release.